how to add or remove the feedback assistant in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, tap on the Add button. Then, once you are in edit mode, go down and tap on Add a control. Now from here, we scroll down in the control list. We scroll down. So scroll down to the utilities section and then tap on tap on feedback assistant to add it to the control center. Once it is added to the control center, you can then tap on it to quickly open up the feedback assistant app. So here you pull down the control center and then you can tap on it to open up the feedback assistant. Another thing is that if you want to remove it, you open up the control center, then you tap on the Add button. Now, once you're in edit mode, just tap on the remove button to remove the the feedback assistant shortcut. And finally, you can swipe up to save the changes, then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.